In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can convert a PPT, means a PowerPoint presentation, to PDF. There are many times when you need to convert PowerPoint presentation to PDF, when you want the presentation to your teachers or someone else. And there is no software required for doing this procedure. But when you find you want to search on Google, you will find so many procedures, so many softwares there to convert PPT to PDF. But I'll be telling you the very simple way, students. Okay, let's start with it. Suppose I want to show you, this is a PDF file. It contains many slides here. See here, I want to convert all these slides into PDF form. Suppose, these days you have to make a project also on AIL, Art Integrated Learning. In that also, teachers must be asking you to prepare PPT. But how you can do that? I'm going to tell you. First, you have to make a PPT of your choice. Okay. Then after that, you have to go to File menu. Then click on Save. Okay. Save. If you have saved it already, you have saved it and you have made some changes, then you can go to Save As option. I'm going to, if I click on Save, then it will show me the dialog box where I can show the formats, different formats in which you can save. But here I've already saved it, so I'm going to click on Save As option, and I want to save it on the desktop. See, the dialog box will be shown to me. See, this is a dialog box and there are so many formats here. You see, a long list is here in this drop down menu. The fourth option is PDF. Just click here, select PDF, and you have to change, or you have to give the name of the file here. I'm leaving it as it is. I'm not going to change it. Then two more option buttons are here. Standard publishing online and printing, that is more suitable for you students, and other one, minimum size publishing online. It is for compressing the file. If you are sending the file online, then in the PPT form or in the PDF form, then it is useful. Otherwise, this will do for you. And open the file after publishing. Yes, you want to open the file, then you can open the file. Now you have to click the Save button. So it is taking time to convert it into PDF form. You have to wait for few seconds, students, and it will open for you. See here, the processing has been done. It is been rotating round and round and round, taking few seconds to make it or convert into PDF form. Now it is going to be visible in front of you. See here, it is going to open. I'm going to maximize it. See the name of the file, watar.csv.pdf. Now it has been converted to PDF. You can see the symbol here, icon here also. Now all the pages have been visible to you. These were actually, originally they were slides in front of you. Now they are converted to pages. The pages are in the form of PDF. So this is a simple step, students. This is the way how you can convert your PPT or PowerPoint presentation or any project into PDF form, means like pages. So I think it is very clear to you, and do subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed yet, because I keep on making many videos, very useful videos for you. Okay, students, take care.